Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got two interesting IEMs sent over by Keep Hi-Fi, the KZ Taurus and the CCZ Duet. Both sit in the budget audiophile segment and promise big sound at a small price. Let's get started. Let's start with what you get in the box. Both packages are compact and simple, that classic minimalist style. Inside the KZ Taurus box, you'll find the earphones themselves neatly displayed, a detachable 2-pin cable, 3 pairs of silicone ear tips, and a small user guide. No carrying pouch or extra fancy accessories, but that's fine considering the price range. Next up, the CCZ Duet. The box layout is similar. Inside you have earphones themselves neatly displayed, detachable cable, extra ear tips and user guide. The moment you pick them up, you'll notice a small difference. The Duet's housing has a more premium feel thanks to its zinc alloy front plate. Both sets feel well presented for budget IEMs, simple, neat, and focused on sound rather than packaging flair. Let's talk about the design. The KZ Taurus comes with a transparent shell that lets you see its dual dynamic driver system inside, pretty cool for people who like seeing the inner engineering. It uses what KZ calls a horizontal dual dynamic driver layout, meaning the two 8mm drivers are placed side by side to reduce distortion and give better channel balance. The shell is made of lightweight resin, smooth edges, and overall feels durable for the price. The CCZ Duet goes for a different approach, a combination of metal and resin. The zinc alloy faceplate gives it a sturdier, higher-end feel, while the transparent inner shell keeps it stylish. The cable on both is detachable using the standard 0.78mm 2-pin connector, with a silver-plated copper wire that feels flexible and premium enough. Both terminate in a 3.5mm plug, and you can also pick versions with or without a microphone. In short, Taurus feels lightweight and sporty, Duet feels a bit heavier but more premium in hand. Here's a quick comparison of the core specs for both earphones. KZ Taurus, it packs dual 8mm dynamic drivers, giving it that signature KZ multi-driver setup. It runs at 36 ohms impedance, has 105 dB sensitivity, and a 20 Hz to 40 kHz frequency range, so it reaches deeper in the lows and extends higher in the treble region. CCZ Duet, this one uses a hybrid configuration, a 10mm dynamic driver paired with a balanced armature. It's rated at 16 ohms impedance, 105 dB sensitivity, and covers a 20 Hz to 20 kHz range, more typical, but very balanced. The Duet's lower impedance makes it easier to drive, so even if you're using a smartphone or laptop, it'll still sound great. The Taurus, meanwhile, benefits slightly from a DAC or small amp, but still performs well straight from portable devices. In terms of fit and comfort, both the KZ Taurus and the CCZ Duet feel surprisingly good in the ears. The overall ergonomics are solid, both have angled nozzles that follow the natural shape of the ear, giving a secure and comfortable fit. The Taurus feels a bit lighter since it's mostly plastic, while the Duet has a slightly heavier build due to its metal faceplate, but once they are in, there's not much difference in day-to-day use. After choosing the right ear tips, both offer a tight seal that helps with passive noise isolation, blocking out most background sounds. Even during longer listening sessions or while moving around, they stay in place without causing fatigue. Now let's talk about sound, the most important part. Starting with the KZ Taurus, it has a lively W-shaped tuning with strong bass and crisp treble. The sub-bass hits deep and gives great energy for EDM or hip-hop, while vocals stay clean but a bit behind the instruments. Treble is bright and detailed, sometimes a touch sharp, but it adds sparkle and clarity. Soundstage and imaging are solid too, making it fun for gaming or movies. Moving to the CCZ Duet, it's smoother and more balanced. The hybrid driver gives tight, controlled bass, clear mids, and relaxed highs. Vocals sound more natural, and the overall tone is easier on the ears for longer listening. In short, the Taurus brings excitement and energy, while the Duet feels calm and musical. Both deliver great value for their price. Both use a standard 3.5mm plug, so they work easily with phones, PCs, or DACs, just plug and play. You can also upgrade the cable or use a Bluetooth adapter later if you want wireless use. Their microphone versions perform well. The Taurus picks up clear voice but can catch a little cable noise, while the Duet's microphone sounds slightly cleaner with less background hiss, making it better for calls or gaming. Let's wrap it up with a quick summary. KZ Taurus Pros. Punchy, detailed sound with great bass and treble clarity. Detachable cable and comfortable lightweight fit. Good value for a dual driver design. Cons. Treble can be a bit sharp for sensitive ears. Mostly plastic build. Cable noise and limited accessories. CCZ Duet Pros. Balanced, smooth sound signature that suits all genres. Solid zinc alloy faceplate gives a premium feel. Easier to drive, with a cleaner MIC. Cons. Slightly heavier than plastic IEMs. Bass isn't as deep as the Taurus for pure bass lovers. So, if you want that energetic, V-shaped excitement for music and gaming, go with the Taurus. But if you prefer something more balanced, refined, and premium in hand, the Duet is the smarter pick. Both show how far budget IEMs have come, and both the brands definitely knows how to deliver value. If you want to purchase one of these, make sure to check out the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Big thanks to Keep Hi-Fi for sending these out for review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which one you'd pick, the punchy KZ Taurus or the balanced CCZ Duet.